You asked. We listened. Here's a brand new lineup of easy-to-use machines you can buy right here in the USA to start a business in 2025. No importing, no long shipping, no tech issues. Just plug, play, and profit. These machines are small, affordable, and made to run from your garage, shop, or backyard. We're talking candles, packaging, chocolate, custom signs, 3D gifts. The stuff that sells fast and earns big. Let's jump straight in and see what's making smart people serious money this year. 1. Candle filling machine. Making candles by hand is slow, inconsistent, and messy. But with this machine, the entire process, melting, mixing, pouring, becomes automated and precise. You can easily produce dozens of candles per hour in consistent shapes, styles, and scents. Whether it's aromatherapy, seasonal gifts, or customized wedding sets, there's a huge demand for small batch candles. With a cost of around $1.50 per candle, including wax, scent, and jar, and a retail price of $10 to $20, margins are sky high. Sell on Etsy, Amazon, or local markets, and grow with subscription boxes or gift bundles. 2. Automatic packaging machine. Want to start a product brand without manufacturing anything? This machine is your shortcut. It portions and seals dry goods into retail pouches. Tea, spices, pet treats, superfoods, whatever you want. Buy in bulk, repackage with your brand, and sell at retail prices. It's how many private label businesses on Amazon or Shopify actually work. Low cost, big brand feel. The machine does the portioning, sealing, and even labeling. Whether you're creating custom blends or repackaging bestsellers, it's the fastest entry into product sales. 3rd, laser mirror engraving machine. Basic mirrors are everywhere, but personalized engraved ones, those feel custom, premium, and artistic. This laser machine etches designs directly into the glass. Quotes, logos, names, or full artworks. You fix the mirror, upload a design, and the laser does the rest with millimeter precision. Perfect for interior decorators, event planners, or gift businesses. What costs you $10 becomes a $100+ designer item. Just add clean photos, creative ideas, and solid packaging. 4. 3D Letterbending Machine. You've seen those glowing metal letters in malls and restaurants, but did you know they're made by small shops? This machine forms the 3D outlines for those signs by bending aluminum or steel strips. Built-in software lets you input fonts, shapes, or templates. No experience needed. You can work with signage companies, local shops, or build your own signage brand. It's a serious niche with year-round demand and surprisingly low startup costs. 5. French rope chain making machine. A regular chain is just wire, but a twisted rope chain? That's a premium product with triple the value. This machine automatically forms beautiful spiral-style chains from gold, silver, copper, or steel. Handmaking this is tedious. Here you just feed wire and it rolls out foot by foot. You can sell raw chains or turn them into jewelry with pendants and fancy packaging. Margins, easily 200 to 300%, especially if sold on Etsy or as custom gifts. 6. 3D body scanner and color printer. Forget 2D portraits. This machine captures full color 3D models of people or pets, down to clothing textures and facial features. Use it to create custom figurines, wedding cake toppers, or character replicas. It's perfect for events, gift shops, or even mobile setups at malls. Each scan takes seconds, and prints sell from $50 to $200. No sculpting, no painting. Just scan, print, and sell something no phone app can create. 7. Oil extraction press. This isn't for massive factories. This machine is for small batch oil production with cold or hot pressing. You can make coconut, sesame, sunflower, or almond oil at home. Cold pressing preserves nutrients for health stores, while hot pressing suits cosmetics and cooking. Sell fresh oil locally or online. The market for unrefined organic oils is only growing. Plus, you can control flavor, aroma, and quality, something supermarkets can't match. 8. Automatic tea bag machine. Tea is one of the most consumed drinks globally. Yeah, but local blends and herbal mixes, that's a niche. This machine fills and seals pyramid or flat tea bags with precision and consistency. Source ingredients in bulk, create unique recipes, sleep aid, detox, energy, and pack them like a pro. Sell branded tea boxes online, to cafes, or even white label for wellness brands. Low overhead, minimal training, and high perceived value per unit. 9. Wire clamp and bracket maker. Most construction parts are bought, not made. And this is your entry point. This machine bends and punches metal strips into custom clamps, rings, or brackets. It's fully programmable, which means you can serve solar installers, HVAC guys, or furniture makers. Fast production, low material cost, and high repeat orders from local contractors make this a B2B goldmine. You're not selling to consumers, you're becoming a local supplier. 10th, Popsicle Stick production line. It starts with raw wood blocks and ends with thousands of smooth, uniform sticks, used for crafts, ice creams, tongue depressors. Demand is way beyond just food. This line handles cutting, shaping, sanding, and drying. Small footprint, big output. Sell bulk packs to schools, art stores, medical suppliers, or local brands that want custom printed sticks. Each stick costs less than a cent, but they sell for dollars per 100. 11. Corrugated Box Maker. Every product needs a box, guys, but most sellers buy oversized, wasteful packaging. This machine lets you create custom-sized corrugated boxes on demand. It scores, cuts, and folds cardboard based on your input. Perfect for small businesses shipping products of all shapes, from mugs to electronics. You save on shipping, improve customer experience, and can even sell boxes to other local sellers. A smart business built on solving a daily problem. 12. Laundry Pod Capsule Machine. Laundry pods are popular, convenient, and expensive. This machine fills water-soluble film with detergent mixtures, seals it, and ejects uniform pods. You can formulate eco-friendly, hypoallergenic, or scented pods and sell them under your own brand. Target households, hotels, or even cleaning services. Cost per pod is just cents, but they retail for 10 times that. It's the future of detergent, and you control the formula. 13. Cosmetic Lip Balm Filler. Natural cosmetics are trending, and this machine makes it easy to ride that wave. It heats, mixes, and dispenses lip balm into tubes in perfect doses. Combine ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and essential oils to create clean, functional products. You can sell kits, ready-made balms, or even offer white label services. From influencers to skincare startups, there's a growing market ready to buy. 14. Custom Tape Printing Machine. Unbranded packages are a missed opportunity. This machine prints logos or designs onto adhesive tape rolls. Think e-commerce stores, bakeries, or small brands who want custom packaging without high minimums. The setup is simple, materials are cheap, and every order is a repeat opportunity. One client can order 10 rolls every month. You're not just selling tape, you're selling branding. 15th. Honeycomb Paper Line. Bubble wrap is out, eco packaging is in. This machine makes honeycomb paper sheets, which are lightweight, strong, and biodegradable. It's used by sellers who want to reduce plastic and impress eco-conscious customers. You can manufacture and supply this to local shops, online sellers, or event companies. Margins are healthy, demand is rising, and the machine is compact enough for small spaces. 16. Custom Chocolate Ball Mill. Handmade chocolate sounds romantic, but real business needs scale. This ball mill grinds cocoa, sugar, and milk powder into silky smooth chocolate mass. Control flavor, sweetness, and texture. Then mold it into bars or custom shapes. Perfect for selling to cafes, events, or even launching your own gourmet line. No palm oil, no fillers, just real chocolate. And yes, premium small batch chocolate always sells at a premium. 17th. Pipe Elbow Forming Machine. Construction materials like gutter elbows or drain fittings are in constant demand. This machine forms precise bends in metal pipes. Fast, uniform, and low cost. Most contractors don't make these. They buy them. And that's your niche. Produce parts for roofers, plumbers, or local supply stores. Margins are solid and orders repeat every month. It's boring. And that's exactly why it's profitable. 18. Wood Molding and Planing Machine. Turning raw wood into refined parts is usually complex. Not with this all-in-one beast. It planes, profiles, and sands wood on all four sides in a single pass. Use it to make baseboards, trims, furniture parts, or door frames. It's high-end carpentry simplified, and clients pay more for finished quality. Even a few custom contracts can pay off the machine. 19th. Embroidery Machine. Forget printed merch. Embroidery feels premium. This machine runs on digital templates and sews high-quality logos onto hats, hoodies, or uniforms. There's no minimum. Do one piece or 100. Sell to brands, creators, schools, or sports teams. It's the go-to for local identity products. Fast, stylish, and scalable from day one. 20. Wax Injector for jewelry molds. Jewelry casting starts with wax patterns, and that's what this machine does fast. It injects molten wax into silicone molds, creating detailed prototypes for rings, pendants, or earrings. Serve jewelers who don't want to do this in-house. Small parts, fast production, and great margins. Think of it as the starting point for high-end creations, and a business all on its own. These machines aren't just tools, they're full-blown businesses waiting to happen. Whether it's packaging, engraving, oil pressing, or custom chocolate, the opportunity is right in your hands. Start small, test fast, and grow smart. Want more machines like these? Hit the like button, subscribe, and don't miss what's coming next.